new tunes, stories, rhymes, and lots of fun. A shiny white car! Let's make it colorful and fun! So many cars!
Wow! So many colors!
Let's paint all the cars with these colors!
Beep, beep! Let's go! Woohoo!
Driving is so much fun!
Look! I am driving my white car!
Wow!
Look, friends! So many colorful paint pools! Let's paint my car!
Now my first car is red! The first car is red. Now let's go and paint the second car, friends! Yay! Now my second car is blue! Blue color car, friends! Now I have a red car and a blue car. Let's go to paint the third car, friends. Yay! Now my third car is yellow. A bright yellow car, friends. Now we have red, blue, and yellow cars. Let's go to paint the fourth car, friends. Hooray! Now my fourth car is green. Green color car, friends. Now we end. Let's go to paint the fifth car, friends. Wow! Now my fifth car is orange. An orange color car, friends. Now we have red, blue, yellow, green, and orange cars. Let's go to paint the sixth car, friends. Look, friends! Now my sixth car is purple! A shiny purple car! Now we have red, blue, yellow, green, orange, and purple cars.
Yay!
Now my seventh car is pink!
A shiny pink car, friends!
Now we have red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, and pink cars. Let's go to paint the eighth. Wow! Now my eighth car is black! A shiny black car, friends! Now we have red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, and black cars. Let's go to paint the ninth car, friends. Yay! Now my ninth car is gray. A shiny gray car, friends. Let's go to paint the 10th car, friends. Wow! Now my 10th car is sky blue. A bright sky blue car, friends. Now we have 10 cars. Red. Wow! Now my 11th car is violet. A shiny violet car, friends. Now let's paint another car. Wow! Now my 12th car is golden. A shiny golden car, friends. Now let's paint another car, friends. Yay! A shiny silver car, friends. Now let's paint the next car, friends.